Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Friday. We're gonna take a tour of this Puma 31RLQS. It comes in weighing at 8,808 pounds, and then our length is 36 feet 1 inch. So let's go ahead and start with the outside first. You got your power tongue jack here at the front. Really large propanes just behind there, and you got 2 of them. And it even has this protective plastic casing spot for your battery. A large amount of diamond plating to help protect your front cap from road debris and just any other sticks and stones. Really awesome updated front cap style. Has all the white incorporated in there, which looks great. And then you have your one slide out here on your camping side. Access door, which you do have a place to get into it from the inside as well, but if you need to grab something quickly, you can just easily access it here on the outside. Front and rear power stabilizer jacks. A power awning that does have the really cool LED lights. Outside speaker. You even have some power out here so you can plug in your phone, maybe set a table up here, have some sort of mini kitchen, small appliance, or even a TV. Fresh water connection. Solid steps at your main entrance, so these are great for people who've had knee or hip replacement surgery, even those little kiddos running in and out of the camper. Oversized grab handle. You also have extended season package with this coach. And then coming towards the back, we're going to see if we can see it. You have your LP Connect. And you have a rear ladder to climb up there and keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance. Spare tire, plus you are prepped for a observation camera. Ready to start your career in so now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so across from your main entrance, walking in, you have your convenience center to be able to access your lights, your awnings, your slide outs, all of that fun stuff. So the fact that it's next to your door is not very far and it's really convenient. So as you can see, this is our rear living coach. Very spacious, great for entertaining and just having a lot of people over. We're going to start with our dinette first and kind of work our way around. And this is a freestanding dinette. One thing I absolutely love is the fact that the chair and the tables have that black color. You'll normally see browns and tans and stuff like that, but the fact that there is black just looks great. Like I said, these are freestanding chairs, so you can move these around which way that you want. You can place 2 more chairs for extra seating in your living room. You can take these outside if you want. But the seats lift up for some additional storage, so you can put your placemats there, even some coloring books and stuff. Love the white tabletop too. It contrasts with the darker legs of the table. And before I forget, our sale price comes out to be $38,985 for everything. And then, of course, you have the roller shades all across. Next to your dinette is your very plush and comfortable Thomas Paine Collection theater reclining seats. You got your built-in cup holders, remote control storage, and quite a bit. Or you can just put some snacks in there too, which is probably what I would do. Cabinet storage up above, as well as above your trifold sleeper sofa here in the back as well. Great big window that is tinted, so you still have a lot of that natural light coming in. And this will fold down into a sleeping space for your kids or guests, so 2 people can sleep here very comfortably. End tables are on both sides, plus you have some cubby storage underneath both. And you also have power outlets too to charge those electronics. And then across from your theater seats, you have a perfect view of your entertainment center. Electric fireplace down below, and this actually kicks off some heat. Change the colors of it if you want, put it on a timer, all of that fun stuff. You can also use it as a night light. Looks great when you're watching TV. Have all the lights off. It's really great ambiance. And then open cubby space. Access to those outside speakers are right there. Swivel TV. This is a 39-inch LED swivel TV. Then coming into our gorgeous white kitchen with those updated colors. Pantry space, which is on a lot of people's checklists. Stainless steel refrigerator, and it's pretty big too. And then we have our cabinet space above our range hood. 3 burner top stove. Accent lights on your knobs. And then of course your oven. Again, this is also stainless steel. Extra countertop space right next to there, so you can have small appliances plugged in back there. Use this for serving spots, just whatever you would like. Drawer space down below. Stainless steel microwave. And then talking about our island, you have more storage space. Stainless steel open mount sink with all of this countertop space too. Gorgeous light pendants that match the legs of your table. And then you have your spray nozzle. This wall decal does come with your camper, so it's just a nice little touch that came with this Puma. A couple hooks for your keys, dog leashes, maybe hang up your jacket if it's a little bit chilly. Behind here, we have our bathroom. So to my left, you have the matching countertop with your island. So it almost kind of mimics a concrete countertop feel. Storage down below, toothbrush holder, soap holder, medicine cabinet. Again, white cabinets too. Storage for your towels and washcloths. You have a couple shelves in there. And then you have your nice sit-down shower, which is great for relaxing. Skylight is up above there. And then, of course, your vent fan. Again, love the black accents all throughout. You even have this really pretty teal-colored shower sliding glass door. Foot flush toilet. You even got a toilet paper holder in there, so you don't have to have one of those stands that you have to tuck behind the toilet. And then coming out into, I guess, the front portion of our camper, this is our master bedroom. You got our queen size bed in this slide out. So you have all of this walking space, room to get ready in the morning, and you don't have to feel super cramped and claustrophobic. Lifting it up, you do have some additional storage underneath your bed. Shelving is on both sides, a couple of cabinets. Then you also have a dresser nicely built in, but just an extra spot for your clothes and belongings. Countertop space for a TV, but if you would rather hang one up, you have a spot for that too. And then here is that access door that I was talking about before. It's also a spot where you are prepped for a washer and dryer unit. So that's a really awesome feature. Or you can just use this for some extra storage space. Built-in shelf in there too. And then we have our wardrobe. The two center doors have the mirror panels on them, but they all open up to the same space. It just goes all the way across. Built-in clothes rack plus your shoe shelf. There you have it. Any sort of questions or concerns about this Puma, you guys, feel free to let us know and we will be happy to help.